Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a survey of a product to measure customer preferences of that product category. Let's suppose that I am a product manager of a WordPress theme developing firm. I have released a new theme in the online market, but I see a low performance based on the other category themes of my company. It's my responsibility to find out what's going wrong in the segment. To understand that, I'm reaching out to all active users of the new theme to understand their buying behavior with a quick survey. In this video, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create disposable websites and test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey. The first step is to hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Second is once you click on Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey. So let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I'm setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged-in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just keeping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-on page, where we get to see the popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. Lastly, we have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start with the first one. I want to ask our users if they are satisfied with the product features. After entering the question, you can choose a type of question on the right-hand side. I am taking the horizontal multiple choice type question here. If you want, you can mark the question as required so that the question can't be skipped. Then click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Click on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab. On the second question, I want to know the buying decisions of the customer. I'm selecting the radio grid type question as I want the user to select the answer on a scale of a particular range. After entering the options, let's click on Save Question. Let's move to the next question by clicking on Create New Question. In this question, I want to see a detailed answer on how any other reason is affecting their buying decision. Let's select the paragraph type question here. Now, the final question. I want to check how likely would the current users like to recommend the new themes to others. I'm creating this horizontal multiple choice question so that the users can select the suitable answer amongst the given choices. Then click on Save the Question. All the questions are saved and looking good for this survey. Let me go ahead and set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants so that I could filter out any duplicate entries. Click on Add New Field. Let's select the field type and label it as Name. Let's add another contact field to take the date of the survey taken. Let's select the field type as Date and label it as Date. Then click on Save Contact Field. Now, since our question for the survey is set, and the contact field is configured to collect the user details, let's preview our survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the consumer preference survey, and it works just right. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for new tips on using QSM Plugin. Let us know in the comments below what are the other uses of QSM Plugin on your website. Until next time, stay safe and bye-bye.